So when is the right time to register for FRM Part 1 exam? Is it okay to register for exam in the standard window or the early bird, or early in the early bird or late in the early bird, and so on? So students have these type of confusions. So first, I never thought I will make video on this particular topic, but in past 2 days, 3 students asked me the same query. So I decided to create a video on this. So for 2026, I have decided whenever I get same query multiple times, I will make video on it. Okay, so if you have any query, feel free to ask me in the comment section and maybe I'll make a video on it, right? And one more thing, if you want to know about the registration process, then I have full video available on the registration process, like the how to register for the exam. So that video I will link in the comment section. So you can check that particular video also to understand the registration process and make sure you fill the form properly. Now here we have this question to register for the exam in the early bird and the standard. So in standard window, we have $800 fees. You already know about it. And the early bird, the fees is $600. So $200 difference, which is really good difference. Now let's first close the topic of standard window, like for whom the standard window is. If you are not sure about what's going to happen in month of May for you, like you have some time availability issues, you're not certain about will you be able to sit for the exam or not. If you are in this particular situation and money is not the problem for you, then my recommendation is to register for FRM Part 1 just 5 to 10 days before 31st of March. Why 5 to 10 days before? Because I've seen in many cases students are not able to make the payment in the very first go. So maybe there is a card issue or the bank issues and so on. So you need some time to make those corrections. So that's why at least like 5 to 10 days before 31st of March, the deadline, registering for exam 5 to 10 days before deadline is a good idea. Okay. So for these students, these specific students, standard window is there. For rest of the students who fall in the normal category, then we have the early bird. Now in the early bird, we have the confusion. Should you register for exam in by like say 15th of December, or should you wait till 25th of Jan? Again, I'm applying the same logic, the 5 to 10 days before the exam. Now here I have seen some students give logic like I can earn, like why should I spend my money early when I can spend late? So you're not going to make like lakhs of rupees or like few dollars on $600 by investing it early, right? So this is like really stupid logic. So this should not be the logic for registering, like this should not be the logic for late registration. Okay. Now, late registration is recommended from my side only, but for very different reason. Now here, you should register for like the part 1 exam as early as possible. If you know you want to sit for the May exam, I'm taking the example of May and same logic will be applicable for the November also. You know you want to sit for the, or you're sure about sitting for exam in the May, and you don't have any time management issues. You know for sure, like you're a full-time student and you know you will get full time for the preparation and you will be able to prepare properly. If this is your situation, then register for exam as soon as possible, because what happens, you will become serious about the preparation once you fill your form, once you register for the exam. Then you will have that type of seriousness. Otherwise, you will have at least some portion of procrastination or time wasting problem will be there. So for this reason, I'm saying register for exam as early as possible for this type of students. If you have confusion regarding the time management issues, maybe you are the working professional and you are not sure about how much time you will get for the preparation, or after office how much time you will be able to spend on the preparation. If that's the issue, then my recommendation is make sure, or in your like mind, think about going for the May exam only. Okay, you are sure about going for the May exam, and with the same seriousness prepare for next 30 days, and on 25th of Jan see how much you were able to prepare, and based on that take this decision to register for the exam. So the when I recommend 25th of Jan for the registration, then my purpose is to make the clear assessment. You should know, okay, I will be able to spend this much time, I am able to finish this much syllabus in 1 month. So you can extrapolate by multiplying 140%, because you will be more serious in the last 3 months compared to this particular month, in the month of December. So just apply 140% rule. As I said, you'll be able to prepare more in the remaining 3 months, and based on that take your decision. Okay, so the students who are not sure about their time management and how much time they will be able to spend on the preparation, wait till 25th of Jan, prepare properly for this 1 month from like 28th of December till 25th of Jan. So prepare seriously and then take your final call. Okay. So that's my recommendation. So if you have any queries, feel free to ask me in the comment section. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.